Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2018 Ford Explorer. This Ford Explorer, it has a computer here that controlling the LED light. This is the LED light that around here. So if you want to test it, if you want to do that, how it is, you can take only the LED light that is here and transfer it to the other side. If it's working, that means the module is no good. But if it doesn't work, or you can disconnect this completely and switch it here. If it's work, that means there is a problem with the wiring. If it doesn't work, check the wiring. Or if it doesn't work when it switches there, you can disconnect this and also swap them. You can swap this one here by that one. It will tell you. For this car here, we took this one, we put it there, it doesn't work. We take that one, we put it here, it worked. That means wiring here is good. Now, we took this module, we swap it there, that one doesn't work anymore, like original one. So we know for sure that the module is no good. This module is about $300. The piece here is about $600. So you talk about $1,500 for this headlight. If you can get a used one in a good situation, is okay. But try not to let water get into this place to, to mess up your car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I want to show you the module, how it look like. This is the module that is no good. You see here, like I have water intrusion on it. So please be sure that your car doesn't have water access, so that you're gonna mess up your car. We're gonna clean this one here. We're gonna put it in, but it looks like the customer have to have another headlight. I wanna check if we can get a headlight for it. Okay, if it's not, you have to go with this for now. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video.